In this series, we will be creating a MySQL Docker container. We will configure the database and we will access the same from our desktop. Later, we will repurpose this database for interacting with our large language model. And our full and final product will be a chatbot which will interact with the database and that will provide us the desired result. So without wasting much time, we will move on to the video. Good day guys, this is Melvin Satishan and let's explore the Docker MySQL image. We should make sure that the Docker desktop version is up and running. In our case, the Docker is up and running. Next, we have to download the MySQL image from the Docker hub. So let's copy this line and assemble the things as per our requirement. In this case, the command here docker run, it will provision one container, but we need the desired name. Let's say gen AI, and we are going to reset the password, and let's put the password just like a password. Okay, and in detached mode MySQL, and we will define latest. Okay, and two more parameters that we need to define here. The first one is -p3306 colon 3306. So this is the MySQL port, and rest of the things are fine. Let's do this exercise. And we will copy paste it here, and yep, so it is downloading the image from the repository. Let's wait until it is completed. In the meantime, we will navigate to Mokaru, and we will get Mokaru, and we will get some data, and here we are going to define generative AI for service. Now incident number report. Okay, and the field should be 10. This is Pakka, and it's being generated. Okay, so let's take out this date because unnecessarily it will create some problems. Later we will work on the schema part. We have enough opportunities for that, right? And here we will define the rather than the CSV, we will go for MySQL and include create table as well. Okay, and we will take a preview in the meantime. So we have our data ready. So this data we are going to copy it over there. Okay, now what's the status? Okay, this is still in progress, so we will keep this data as it is. The MySQL container image has successfully downloaded and a container is up and running. Let's check the status. Docker container ls. So the container is up and running. Let's attach the container and see how it is. So docker attach -it and the container id and bin bash. Okay, right, we did exec rather than attach. Now MySQL -u root -p, and here we will provide the password. Here let's see show databases, and we are going to create a database. Create database gen AI, that's going to be our database name, and we are going to use gen AI. Now we are in the gen AI database. Right now, show tables. There are no tables. We will create the tables. Okay, let's open the MySQL workbench. So here is the workbench console, and we have to open a MySQL connection. Let's say we will define that gen AI database, and it's going to be 127.0.0.1 and 3306 is the port number, and we will pass here our password. Right, let's define it properly. Okay, I'm gonna test the connection. Continue anyway. Successfully we have created the connection. Excellent, and we are creating. Okay, now just double click on this part and we are here. Perfect, our preview has been created, and there is one more field called reported date. We are going to remove that as well, and let's do a preview. And in this preview we will copy the necessary content so that it is easy for us to create the database. Perfect. So let's copy it from here. Okay, table data is available, and from here we will create something called mock data. That here we have, I'm going to remove the mock data with the incidents. Okay, replace all. So it has been successfully replaced everything. There is no mock data present in this entry. Now we are going to execute it. Excellent. So it has been inserted around 100 records. That's more than enough for now, because we will explore that later. Okay, and when we come to this terminal, so select start from incidents. We have all our incidents present. It's incident number. We will go for a count, incident number count, and select count, and in bracket we'll put this value, and it is 100 incidents. So that's it for now. We will be integrating this database with our large language model, and we will proceed further. So thank you so much for your time, and this is Melvin Satishan signing off here. Thank you.